Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and if you need a nice affordable car, you can't beat a Chevy Impala. So 2010, actually come out of Phoenix, Arizona. A little bit of paint peeling on the bumper there. I don't know what they did there. Them are scratches. But a nice affordable transportation. These things go forever. This one's got 157,889 on it. Pretty decent on the interior. No rips and tears. Like I said, you're gonna see a few lighter scratches. Like that'll come off right there. That'll buff off. Bumper's in good shape. A little bit of a flex there and stuff, but no big holes or anything in it. So if you're looking for just nice, reliable transportation under $6,000, this will do it for you. Plus we'll put a 3-month, 3,000 mile drivetrain warranty on it. So we'll sell you a car under $6,000 and give you warranty. Nobody else does that that I know of. 605-692-7010.